Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of What's New in ServiceDesk Plus Cloud. Firstly, I would like to talk about problem admin configurations in Sandbox environment. We now allow problem configurations like problem workflows, custom triggers, and templates to be configured and deployed from the Sandbox server to the production hub. Secondly, I would like to talk about navigation and footer settings. Now, we allow technicians and users to change and reorder how the application should look. Now, this option is available for both technicians and requesters under the admin tab. Thirdly, I would like to talk about My Pending Survey widgets as an option. Now, technicians and users can now view and respond to their surveys under their respectful pages. So for the technician, the option is available under the dashboard, and for the requesters, the option is available under the self-service portal settings. Then I would like to talk about the announcements option. I quickly like to run down all the options available under the announcements. Firstly, I would like to talk about following announcements. Technicians and users can now follow announcements and receive updates like adding a comment, replying a comment, and so on. Also, when I say adding a comment, technicians and users can now add comments to announcements. It can either be a public or a private comment. And on top of that, requesters can also look at the comments made. Then I would like to talk about announcement templates. For an example, service outages, plant maintenances, policy changes, and so on can be added as pre-configured announcement templates. Then we also allow announcement as an option to be available under the custom role section, where these so-called custom roles can be provided to the technician. Finally, we also have something called as banner scheduling, where when an announcement is created, a banner can be displayed, and on top of that, the banner can be displayed at all times, which is something called as persistent banner scheduling under the announcement section. That's it for today. See you on the next one. Ta-ra, bye-bye.
Thank you all for joining us today. In this video, I'm excited to share with you the latest enhancements in Manage Engine ServiceDesk Plus On-Premises Edition. Let us take a quick look on all these enhancements that elevate your ITSM experience. Number 1. Global Search for Requesters. Previously, we had Global Search in Change module limited to technicians with view permission. We have extended this capability for requesters as well. This means faster access to change records and improved visibility. Number 2. Reject search in request list view. We have taken search to the next level. You can now use regular expressions to filter results from request list view with precision. Number 3. Dynamic SLA with field and form rules. Have you ever felt you need more flexibility in setting SLA in a request? Now you can configure field and form rules on field change event to set SLA dynamically using scripts, taking automation to next level. Number 4. High ChatGPT integration. For organizations operating in regions where ChatGPT isn't supported or is restricted, we have a setting where the administrators can now go ahead and hide the option. For ESM setup, you can find this under ESM directory, application settings, and for non-ESM setup, you can find it under admin tab, advanced portal settings. Number 5. Edit HTML in rich text editor. Customizing notification template just got easier. Now you will have edit HTML option in rich text editor in notification templates in change and release workflows. Number 6. New asset state for assets. We are improving asset tracking. Assets owned by deleted users will now be placed in to be returned status instead of in-store status. This will help the administrators to track asset retrieval and also avoid missing assets. Now that's a wrap up on this update. Stay tuned for more enhancements. And as always, do let us know what you think. Your feedback drives innovation. See you in the next one. Cheers.